Good morning everyone, it's the 11th of March, 7:11 in the morning, and just sent the email out, so this is the video to go with it. And for new viewers, usual layout, you've got the 10-minute chart here, 30-minute chart, 2-hour chart over here, and the daily chart above that. So the plan for today, if I just expand out the 30-minute chart, we've bounced pretty well really from the 6,006 low yesterday. Obviously dropped right off from 6,200 with the all the ECB news and everything. A bit annoying as the order was at 6,205 and the high was 6,204.3. So that was a little bit frustrating, but anyway, dropped we did, and I know quite a few of you obviously shorted that drop as well as it followed the plan. So for today, it's looking like the bounce might carry on a little bit initially. The moving averages are positive, and I've got resistance up at 6145-ish. That's where we have R1 on the live charts pivots. So I think what we might do is initially, sort of around about 8 a.m-ish, rise up to that sort of level, and then a dip back down towards the daily pivot at 6090, and maybe a little bit lower at 6080. If that level holds, that 6080, then I think we might get a rise back up to 6180. So fairly bullish really for today, I'm feeling. As I mentioned, I'm thinking as a big picture. Possibly that 6,000 is a short-term low now. We've had the big drop that we were expecting from 6,200. If 6,000 has held quite well, and if that continues to hold, then I think we might actually get a rise up towards 6,350 before some more downside, and maybe some pretty big downside from there as well. But you know, that's big picture stuff, so it's a bit finger in the air anyway. But tend to just focus on today, which I feel quite confident that 6080 will hold actually. Looking at the other time frames, let's just go to the 2-hour chart. So at the moment, obviously it's got the bounce going quite nicely, and a bit of coral resistance here at 6135. But the faster moving average is turning up there, obviously, with this rise. So, you know, later on today, this afternoon, we may get a cross of those moving averages, which could actually act as a bit of a springboard to push us higher. RAF channels on the daily chart, if I just expand that one out. After that bearishness yesterday and sort of the stagnation around about that 6,200 level all week, the 10-day RAF has leveled off and is actually dipped down a little bit, as you can see. For today, though, both the RAF channels have got support at around about that 6,000 area. So if that, you know, as I said, if that holds, then we may actually get a rise up towards the 6,350 area later on in March. That's all there is to say really on the daily one. So 10-minute chart, let's just have a quick look at that. Fairly positive really to start the day as well. We have got a weekly pivot as well up at 6144. So that plus the R1 on the live charts pivots may see a bit of a bearish reaction. A dip down then to the green coral line, which is this one here, on the 10-minute, which should coincide with the daily pivot, 6090-ish, 60, maybe a little bit of an overshoot to 6080, to then push higher later on today. So that's my plan really. Up, down, and then a bigger wave up later on. So we shall see. Good luck everybody, and thanks for watching.